Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Farghani, and today we have the technical session number 190. Our subject is structural waterproofing type A, B, C, and D. So there are the four types of the waterproofing for the uh, below ground surface waterproofing, and even if it is required, the above ground it can be recommended according to the specification. So before going ahead, I would like to request you to press the bell icon, like it, share it in order to reach the next video with the easy access. Our channel is Material Engineer Official, and the YouTube studio where 190 videos are on board with the different subjects. So we will continue for the subject. Uh, so the technical session is 190. Type A waterproofing system for the concrete structure is a barrier protection, but use applied material to create a waterproofing barrier against the water ingress. This barrier can be applied to the positive side's external face to the negative side internal face of the structure, and it can be a form a steel membrane, the sheet membrane, like the bentonite or the polymer and the epithelium membrane. So liquid applied membrane also like a bituminous or the cementitious and the other coating. The effective of type A system relies the quality of the membrane, the preparation of the concrete surface, and the integrity of the surface itself also. So before apply the waterproofing membrane, the surface should be grinded and the make it roughly in accordance to the recommendation of the manufacturer and the specification and the relevant drawing. So types A waterproofing membrane location barrier. This system is a continuous physical barrier that prevents the water and the missing through the concrete structure. Application also it is the positive side and the negative side as we discuss about. The common type of the type A is a sheet membrane, include the bonded sheets and the bentonites, and that is applied on the concrete surface whatsoever it is. So liquid applied coating, also this is applied using the brush, spray, trowel, and the roller and the exhaust. Bitumen coating, also a type of the barrier historically known as the tanking. Cementitious coating, also mixture of the cement and the additives that form a waterproofing barrier. Polymer-based liquid, the flexible coating and the offer the excellent barrier for the protection. So factor affecting on the performance, application quality, the proper surface of the preparation of the surface prior to the membrane application is a mandatory. Structural integrity, the existing structure must be around the travel of the water and to prevent the water from the finding alternative paths. So water pressure also it is a table of the significantly hydrostatically pressure where the barrier effectiveness is the tested. The future it can be occur the barrier comprehensive to the structural weakness and where the poor points are uh, way to the ingress. Type B is a also waterproofing system of the concrete structure and it involves in a structure on itself integrity water resistance shall be denied by the shall be defined by the BS 8102 to 2009. So this is achieved the using specific concrete mixture and the admixture what the bars and the uh, Robert's joints dealings to the concrete and the water tightness structure from the ground to the surface, from the ground to the up. So, understanding the type B is a system where the concrete structure itself is designed and but the waterproofing is the key major factor. So, water resistance admixture also it can be reduced the comparatively and also careful joints details the water balls and the methods of the using construction movement joints and these commonly pointed to the point of the failure where it is the executed. The bitumen liquid applied membrane also it is a cold applied and it is the warm applied also where according to the material and the technical data sheet of the material whatsoever. So type BA is these are the coatings applied on the structure and the using membrane, and these are the found very famous like Sika and Ingress and the BASF and all other the manufacturers. So seamless flexible coating also creates a continuous elastic waterproofing barriers. So the excellent adhesive and the versatile suitable for the versatility and the suitable for the vertical and the horizontal sulfate, horizontal surface are the essential for the application. So how the type BA work as the BA system also offer the first multi-layered approaches to the waterproofing internal concrete and also liquid applied membrane and also protective key of the areas. So application for the BA is system is for the substructure and the basement and the against the water ingress below the ground where the water table is very high and very aggressive. So dam-proof membrane also provide the barrier against the moisture in a roof and the floor slabs also already. So vapor barrier also protective the cladded walls and the vapors transmission. Type C is also the system where the known as a drained protection use the internal cavity drain membrane and the drainage system of the uh, a concrete structure by the collecting and the diverting a safe point of the disposal and the typically pump or the water quality. This approach is flexible to maintain the section and the solution of a below ground structure uh, like a basement. So how the type C working the cavity and formation, the specially designated cavity of the membrane is the fixed with the internal surface of the existing concrete wall and the floor. So water collection also this is the membrane to entrap in air out from the voids and the cavity between the itself and the concrete is make a controllable. Draining and the discharging, this is also a water quality should be uh, calculated according to the overflow and the quality of the water where it's merged to the uh, pumping area. So pumped away also this is a cavity drain membrane also and the drain channels and also benefits of the sea waterproofing, also flexibility after the discharge, low disruption, and the maintenance is easy, and the no hydrostatic pressure is involved. Type D is also a concrete structure integrated surface waterproofing, where the structure itself is made of waterproofing by the incorporating the water resistance material that admixture into the concrete mix and the desired concrete mix is the water resistance and to prevent the water ingress and the in that case the durability of the concrete is more stuff, and the matching with the microsilica and GGBS and other admixture and fly ash our according to the mixed design. So this is also a types of the waterproofing, the mix and integrity and mixture and crystalline admixture and adhesion properties whatsoever it is. So self-healing and the high durability and the reduction of the water pressure whatsoever it is. The type A waterproofing is a highly risk project demanding the environmental, including the uh, tunnel construction, substructure, foundation, basement, and other structure exposed to the high water pressure where this is encountered. So structural waterproofing also composite construction as per the uh, UK standard, and also these are the four types of the waterproofing according to the site situation and the contract specification and the requirements. It can be recommended to apply. So these are the major waterproofing parameters where it can be recommended and where it's a need to be fixed with the uh, uh, recommended parameter and to achieve the goal results. So this was the briefing about the waterproofing, and in next video we will speak with each other with the different subjects. So thank you very much and have a nice day.